Do not change anything. If you're gonna get found at, people usually changing everything. Sometimes they even change strategy and the assets they are trading on. So do not change anything. If something was working on the first phase and the second phase, stick to it. Remember to check the company before you're gonna trust them, because there is a lot of scam on the market. Trust me, a lot. I can see everyday advertising. Sometimes they even give accounts for free. This is bullshit, to be honest, okay? This is scam. If you know what you are doing, you will get capital. But if you don't know what you are doing, company won't provide you a capital. Probably you're gonna lose account. So it's gonna be waste of time. So you need to get prepared for that, okay?
How often do you hear, I want more? I want more.
Everyone wants more. Everyone wants to make money. That's why we are all here. So we all want to make money, but you need to be careful. You need to have a plan and you need to stick to your plan, okay?
Is prop trading really easy money?
It is, if you know what you are doing.
So hello, Bartas.
Hello.
Welcome
everyone.
in another podcast with me. And topic of today's podcast interview with you is, why do so many traders fall in prop trading? And the first question I want to ask you, maybe a little controversial, but I want to ask you, is prop trading a scam and it's really impossible to make money with prop trading? What do you think?
Okay, probably there are a lot of scam prop firms on the market, because I've seen many of them. But no, prop trading, it's not a scam. Prop trading companies can provide capital for trading. If you don't have capital for trading, all you need to have are skills, of course. So you need to know how to manage risk properly. You need to have a strategy. So you need to know what you are doing. Then the prop trading company can provide you with capital for trading, and you don't have to risk your own money. But you need to be careful. Always check the company before you're gonna trust them, because there is a small fee to get one of these accounts, okay? So always check the company, check the Trustpilot, check if they got Discord channel, maybe check other people's opinion to avoid disappointment, because if it's gonna take you like 2 months or 3 months to get an account, and after that they're gonna tell you, no, you can't have account. So, it's gonna be a waste of time for you. But if you're gonna find right company, of course you can make money, you can make a big profit, and you can withdraw money. Depends of the company, but in MFA you can withdraw money every 2 weeks.
Okay, so there are two ways in trading. The first is a live account and the second is prop trading.
Yes.
So what do you think? What's easier? Easier is to have live account and trade on the live account, or prop trading and funded account?
Okay, the thing is, if you want to have a live account, okay, it's great because there are no restrictions. You can trade wherever you want with any risk. That's okay, but to trade on live account, you need a large capital, okay? Let's say you got $1,000 and you're gonna make, let's say, 10 profit in a month. That is $100, and to be honest, it won't change your life. So you must have like $10,000 or even more to make nice profits, okay? And of course, you are risking your own money. So if you're gonna have some losses, you're gonna lose your own savings. And with prop trading company, all you need to do is just prove to the company that you can trade well, you know how to manage risk properly, and the company takes all the risks. And over here, there are more possibilities because you can have few accounts, and the largest account in, let's say, MFA, it's $250,000. So imagine making 10% of profit on that account. That is $25,000 profit, and you will get 90% of it, okay? Company only takes 10%, and you don't have any risk. If you're gonna lose any money on that, the worst thing that could happen, you can just lose the account, okay? And you will have to apply it again, but you are not risking your own savings. So I think it's the better solution is prop trading.
So to sum up, the easier way to start trading is obviously prop trading and funded account. I did a little research on YouTube, and what I can see is the statement that prop trading is easy money. And my question is prop trading really easy money?
It is, if you know what you are doing. First of all, you need to get skills. So if you are a beginner, first try demo account, okay? Test your strategy. see if you got any results, okay? Because company gonna test your skills, and if you know what you are doing, you will get capital. But if you don't know what you are doing, company won't provide you a capital. Probably you're gonna lose account. So it's gonna be waste of time. So you need to get prepared for that, okay? So test it on a demo account, test if you can manage risk, test if your strategy is working the best, if you can do some back test, like 1 year backwards, test your strategy. Get prepared well, okay? And start from small accounts, because on the market, there are emotions, okay? So if you're gonna start big, it might be hard for you to deal with the emotions, and maybe that will lead you to losing account.
Okay, so we had some chances before to talk a little about the general prop trading and the rules in prop trading. And what do you think? How often do you notice that traders completely ignore the challenge rules? Like they don't care about the challenge rules, and then boom, I don't have the challenge, I don't have funded accounts.
Yeah, it's happening all the time, because a lot of people do not read rules, okay? There are some rules to follow. First of all, of course, daily and maximum loss limit. That's the common rules for every prop firm. But also there are some other rules, like hedging. You cannot hedge your positions on funded accounts, okay? And you need to check in the rules if you can do that. Trust me, most of the companies, you cannot do that. Also, using expert advisors, high frequency trading is not allowed. So always check the rules, okay? Different companies got different rules, but most of them are the same, okay? Most of them are the same. And people usually don't check the news, and I think the most common mistake is hedging, because people trying to hedge the positions, I know it's some kind of way to secure your trades, but you can do that on live account, okay? You cannot do it in prop trading. So remember to read all the rules, so you know what you can do on the account, what you cannot do on account, to avoid any disappointments, okay? There are not too many rules, so it's not hard to stick to those rules, but remember to check it before you're gonna start challenging yourself.
Okay, so we had a little conversation about the rules, what is very important in prop trading, and we all know about it. But generally in trading, there are two very, very crucial things. So the first is mindset, and the second is strategy. And for me, as for newbie completely, what role does mindset play compared to the strategy in prop trading? Which one should I focus on more?
Okay, both are very important. I think the mindset is even more important. Strategy, okay, you can have the best strategy in the world, and sometimes you are checking everything on demo accounts, you got some results, you're making nice profits, then you move to live account or prop trading account, funded account, and boom, nothing is working. So why? Because of emotions. You're trying to move your stop loss, you're taking your profit too early, you're holding position too long. So emotions are our worst enemy on the market, okay? So you need to work on both, on strategy and mindset at the same time, okay? Because emotions can ruin the best plan, okay? So even if you got the best strategy, you might be struggling to get funded or to make any payouts, okay?
Okay, so you said about demo account and the difference between demo account and challenges and funded account. So is passing the challenge harder than keeping the funded account? I mean, this first phase.
Yes, most of traders don't have any problems to pass first phase or second phase, but on funded account, it's different, because you're counting money you didn't earn yet, okay? So you're thinking, okay, I got big account, I'm gonna make 10% profit, so I'm gonna have $20,000, I'm gonna buy, I don't know, maybe car, maybe I'm gonna pay my mortgage, anything like that. And emotions are taking over, okay? So it's good to stick to your plan. If you had a plan in the first phase, second phase, try to stick to it, okay? I know you are very close to the first payout, but control your emotions, okay? It's a little bit different because you are very close to the payout, and usually emotions destroy everything.
How often do you hear, I want more? I want more.
Everyone wants more. Everyone wants to make money. That's why we are all here. So we all want to make money, but you need to be careful. You need to have a plan and you need to stick to your plan, okay? If you got a plan, you got trading journal, you follow by rules, you should be fine.
Okay, so how many people actually pass the challenge and get a funded account?
How many people? It's hard to say. I don't know the numbers, how many people.
But it's circa 80%, 90%.
Get founded? No, maybe less than that. Maybe 30%. I'm not sure. I cannot say 30. Maybe 20%. I'm not sure. I don't have numbers. Would have to check that. But most of the people like pass first phase is easy. First phase is easy for most of the traders. Second phase, it's less profit to make, but it's a little bit harder because emotions are growing. And if you're gonna get founded, it's hard to control your emotions. Because like I said, you are counting money you didn't earn yet.
Emotions,
very important.
The most important thing in prop trading, as we can see. So I think that you answered this question, why do people lose their funded accounts? But what can be done to keep them? What you need to remember every day to keep this funded account and do not lose it?
Okay, first of all, you need trading journal, okay? Put every single plan in your trading journal, make a checklist and follow your rules, okay? If you got any rules, follow them. Do not change anything. If you're gonna get founded, people usually changing everything. Sometimes they even change strategy and the assets they are trading on. So do not change anything. If something was working on the first phase and the second phase, stick to it, okay? So do not change your plan, do not change your rules and try to stick to them.
Okay. I saw on the internet, on the market, hundreds of prop trading firms. And I have a question in my mind. Does the choice of the prop trading firm matter? Are the differences between firms so big that I can succeed in one but fall in another?
Yes, every single company got different rules. Most of them got similar rules, but you need to check every single company. Do not expect that this company gonna have same rules as the other one. So always check the rules, but remember to check the company before you're gonna trust them, because there is a lot of scam on the market. Trust me, a lot. I can see every day advertising. Sometimes they even give accounts for free. This is bullshit, to be honest, okay? This is scam. So if it's too cheap or they want to give you account for free, that's a red flag, okay? Always check Trustpilot, always check Discord. Usually most of the good prop trading companies, they got Discord, so we can ask other traders how they doing, they make any payouts and stuff like that. So always check that, okay? Few things you need to check before you're gonna trust them, and check where the company is regulated, okay? If it's regulated in some shady offshore island, that's a red flag, okay? That's a red flag. If you are from Europe and company is regulated in Europe, that's good, okay? In Europe, let's say MFA, it's a Polish company, and here the Polish law is very strict, okay? So it's regulated by the European law. So always check where the company is regulated, because if you won't check it, after that, you might find out that the company is on the other side of the world, somewhere on the island, and it's gonna be hard for you to make any payouts. And who you gonna talk to about that they don't want to give you payout, okay? So always check it before you trust them.
Do you know what my favorite red flag in prop trading is? Minus 85% on challenge and funded account instantly. That's my favorite red flag I have ever seen in internet advertisements.
Yes, if it's too cheap, that's a red flag, okay?
But does the type of challenge you choose affect how easy it is to pass?
No, every single account, you got the same rules, okay? MFA, you got three different types of accounts, standard, plus and wanted. The only difference are between profit target and maximum loss. Unwanted account is less to prove, so profit target is a little bit less than on standard account, and maximum loss, you can make more mistakes on that account because maximum loss is 12%. But the rules are same for every single account. Doesn't matter if you're gonna try to get 7,500 account or 250,000 account. The rules are same for for each account, okay? The only difference is emotions. Emotions on each account are different.
And what about you? Do you remember what was the hardest thing for you when you started in prop trading?
Yes,
Could you maybe share some of the mistakes you made, particular mistakes?
We talked about that already, but my first account, I tried to get $50,000 account, and I had everything tested before, so everything was working. I was ready, I was prepared and hungry for money, of course. And I passed first phase easily, and the second phase, like I said, I started counting money which I didn't earn yet. So emotions took over, and I was struggling to get founded, and I lost my account. So I didn't follow my rules. I was changing, stop loss, take profit, changing assets. I tried to, when I got like 3-4 losses, I tried to change my strategy, and boom, I lost my account. Then I tried to figure out what was wrong, and I found out that I changed so many things that I shouldn't change, basically. So I decided to apply for another account of $10,000 and less emotions, smaller account, and was much easier for me to get founded. Okay. But of course, on that account, I followed my rules step by step. I didn't change nothing, okay?
Greedy traders.
Yes.
How can you tell when someone isn't ready for prop trading?
Isn't ready. If you are trading, let's say, on demo account and you're not making any profits, trust me, you are not ready. You need to see some results on demo account first, and then you can slowly move to live account or prop trading account. But if you don't have any results on demo account, do not expect any results on founded account, let's say.
Okay, so now let's talk honestly. Is prop trading for everyone? I mean, is trading in general for everyone? Are there personality traits that can disqualify someone from this business?
No, basically it's for everyone, but like I said, you need to have some knowledge, okay? Because you need to first prove to the company that you know what you are doing. But basically it's for everyone. Doesn't matter if you are, 18 years old or 65 years old. It doesn't matter. We got traders that are over 60s and they are making very nice profits, guys.
Or what if I have problems with discipline, for example?
You need to work on it.
So how to work on my discipline? Is there any receipt I can maybe?
Yeah, I think that the best way is trading journal. So write down your trades, put the screenshots, put your emotions in your journal. So if you open the trade, you lost some money, you had bad emotions, write down this in your trading journal, and always review your trading journal daily or once a week. And you will find out that you can stop doing some bad things you are doing every single day. So with the trading journal will help you to exclude some bad habits, okay?
What kind of impact does a trader's environment, I mean family, friends, have on them? Have you ever seen someone fail in prop trading because of their maybe wife, maybe husband, kids?
Environment is very important, okay? If your family doesn't support you, your wife doesn't support you, or your husband, it might be hard for you, okay? I know, because when I started trading, of course, my wife was supporting me all the time, but like family and friends, they couldn't believe, okay? Oh, it's Forex, it's not possible to make money. Most of traders losing money. Of course, if you don't know what you are doing, you will lose. But no one believed me that I can do it in the first place. So it's good to join some community of traders. They share the same passion, and you can talk to them. You can share your experience, maybe share your losses, so you can have someone you can talk to, okay? It's very important. If you don't have anyone you can talk to about your losses, about your emotions and stuff like that, it's gonna be hard for you, okay?
In our case, you can join our community in the description of this video, and in this description you will find the link to MFA Discord, and there you can see the results of others and talk with others and meet Bart also, because Bart is a part of this channel.
Yes, you can find me on Discord, so if you need to talk, just send me a message.
Okay, so to sum up, why do so many traders fail in prop trading? What they lack?
Like I said before, they changing strategies. Maybe they are using wrong strategy. Every strategy works in different hours. If you know the strategy, but the strategy usually, let's say it's working during US session and you try to use that strategy in the morning, you will fail. So you need to know which strategy is working, in which hours is working the best, okay? That's very important. Always follow your rules, keep your trading journal, okay, and try to stick to your rules, because if you're gonna change something, small thing, even one day you will forget about something, you may lose account, because one single mistake can blow your account. So you need to be focused 100%. So remember, find the time of the day where you can trade and no one will disturb you, okay? Like if you got family, tell them, okay, I need 1 or 2 hours a day for trading. So please give me some space, give me some time. You need to be focused all the time. So don't do it on the phone, like on the way to work. Don't open any trades. Don't do that, okay? Always try to trade on your computer or laptop. Never trade on the phone. It's hard. You cannot do this properly on the phone. So you need to have space for trading. And of course, you need to be focused 100% all the time, okay? One mistake can lead to losses.
Okay, Bart. So thank you very much for very, very good conversation. I think that it's going to be helpful for everybody. And also, if you want to know more about prop trading, remember to subscribe this channel. Check the link in the bio to Discord and to MFA website, because the most important information are on the website. Thank you very much, Bart. See you guys.
Thank you, guys. See you later.